Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I showed you how to trigger a pop-up on a button click in Elementor to display a subscription form. If you have not watched that yet, I will link in the description below. But today we are taking it one step further. I will show you how to automatically send an email with a PDF when someone fills out the newsletter form. So this is a great way to send free cards, ebooks or exclusive content to your subscriber. So as you can see, I fill out the form which I previously created, but I did not get an email. So I check all the tabs, promotion, socials, also the spam folder, but I didn't get any email. So for setting up the automatic email, we go to the dashboard and go to the template which we have created. As I created a pop-up, so I will edit this pop-up. So now select this form. Now we'll set up the email that will be sent automatically after form submission. So on the left menu, go to the action after submit, and as you can see there is the tag selected as an email. So this email is for the admin, like when someone submits the form, the admin got the email that someone has subscribed your email or submits their email on the newsletter form. So for the automatic email for the user, we need to add one more action as email to. So now you can see there is the one more field for email to. Now you can add the email here. So on the to tab, you have to add the user email. So go to the form which you have created, and on the email, go to the advanced and select this shortcode. Now paste it in the email to option here. Now the next field is a subject. You can add any subject here, like I will provide the free guide, so I will add the free menopause guide as a subject line here. And on the message field, you can write the message. I will start from the hi and I want to add the username who filled this form, so I will go to the form again and go to the name field, go to the advanced and copy this shortcode and paste it in the message field. So now when the user got the email, they will start from their name, and you can write any custom message after that. And the main important thing which I want to add here is the PDF file. So go to your website dashboard and media. So I had already uploaded my PDF files. You can just drag and drop it. So I have already uploaded my media files, so I will select the file and copy their URL from here and paste it here. So as I want to upload 2 PDF files, so similarly I will add the URL for the second PDF as well. So now our message is ready. So now we will configure these settings. So from email, you have to write your business email here, and from name you have to write your website name or your name. This is the name that will appear in the reception box. Keep it professional. So into reply to field, you have to write your professional email, because this email because if user reply to your email, it should go to the real inbox where you can see the response. If you leave this blank, replies might not go anywhere. Now we have set up everything. Let's test it. Fill out the form, click submit. So now we can check our email. So as you can see, I got the email. So when you click on the link, the PDF will appear and you can easily download it from here. But the format of the email is very congested. So I will go back to the template and add some formatting. So I will use break tag to break the lines. So after adding BR tag, I will save this form again and again test it. So as you can see, now the email is looking good. So that's it for today's tutorial. Now whenever someone fill out your newsletter form, they will automatically receive an email with PDF file. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and drop a comment below if you have any question. Also don't forget to check out my previous videos on how to trigger a pop-up on button and many more. I will give the link in the description. See you in the next video.